Welcome! In this video, we will explore the integration of power series, focusing on how to perform this operation term by term. First, let's quickly recap what a power series is. It's an infinite sum of terms, where each term consists of a coefficient c sub n multiplied by x raised to the power of n. The core concept behind integrating a power series is surprisingly straightforward. We can integrate the entire series by simply integrating each individual term and then summing them up. To integrate each term, we apply the reverse power rule. For a term c sub n times x to the n, its integral is c sub n times x to the n plus 1, all divided by n plus 1. When we combine these steps, the integral of a power series becomes a new power series. Each term of this new series is the integral of the corresponding term in the original series. And, as with any indefinite integral, we must add a constant of integration, which we'll call c. Let's look at a familiar function. E to the x, its power series representation, is the sum of x to the n divided by n factorial. Integrating this series term by term gives us a new series, which is the power series for e to the x, plus our constant of integration, c. An important property to remember is that the radius of convergence for the integrated power series is identical to that of the original series. The interval of convergence, however, might change at the endpoints. To summarize, when integrating a power series, handle each term individually using the reverse power rule. Always include the constant of integration. See, finally, remember that the radius of convergence does not change.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.